This is part 2 because the previous ended. The previous video just cut itself. Anyway, so got this next vehicle, which is a dirt bike or an ATV. And good thing I got this truck right here because these perfectly fit right here. These are discontinued already, so I'm glad I found it at Goodwill. It's actually the 4th Goodwill, actually no. So I got this one right here. Then this one, that one, and this one right here. And this one came from the antique store. But anyway, so that one, another car. 2 of these. Oh my gosh, look at that. A big boy. Oh shoot, look at this. I mean, this fits perfectly here, but gonna get to work on the hobbyist complex right after this video. So this is the purpose of this. That is for. So okay, so I found a truck, and I think this might be perfect for this right here. However, it's missing a little thing, so maybe not. So look, it's not exactly designed for that. But anyways, although they look like, let me go and take it out really quickly. This time was easier to open it, but I think it might be for this one. Hold on, wait a second. More unfortunately, it doesn't fit because look here, this piece is actually has a little notch back here, like a little. See that piece, and it won't fit right here. So even though I tried to push these out of the way, it looks like this is not for this truck, but close enough. Another car. This one has a damaged wheel, so it looks like it got damaged by the same load of cars. It could be that this was donated incorrectly, like this was just stacked up with other items and just got damaged. Another old car. Another one. Look how many cars I keep finding in this bag. A race car. So this might be the last one. Yep, that's pretty much it. So go and count them up and see how many cars it got in total. Let's count all the cars up. We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 43 minus this one. This is what we come with the truck. So 42, but this one 43 and 44, and that's not even all of it because when I purchased this truck right here, I actually got 30 cars instead of the truck. That's what the purchase came with. Yeah, this was definitely a surprise. Also found out that this truck can actually open. If you take a look right there, there's a tab, and there's another tab, set of tabs right there. So I'm gonna try to open it on pause the video. But I can't do it because I almost broke the tab. This thing almost broke it. It's already a little bit bent, but I don't know how to do it, so I'm gonna break my nail or the truck. So I'm just gonna leave it like that, and then just find another one of these in my collection, see if I can actually hook it on. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this one. Time to get to work on the Hot Wheels complex.